Welcome back to episode 10 of Christmas with Arubakes. As Christmas approaches, we're almost at the end of this festive mini-series, and today I'm doing the last of the little canapés, a vegetarian puff pastry bite. This is basically a little puff pastry square that has some cheese, tomato and onion and baked until it's golden. It's super simple to make, so let's get started. Always get store-bought puff pastry. The effort to make this at home is so not worth it. Thaw out your pastry for about 15 to 20 minutes. It should still be cold but not so hard and frozen that you can't roll it out. To roll the puff pastry out, just flour your table and then sprinkle a little bit of flour on top of the pastry and start rolling. It takes a bit of elbow grease to get this going, but it will start rolling out nicely in a few minutes. This recipe is so easy that possibly rolling this is the hardest part of it. Once you roll the pastry out to about 1/3 of a centimeter in thickness, cut the edges off so that you have a nice square sheet of pastry. Then measure out roughly 2 by 2 inch size squares, or even a tad smaller will be perfect. Don't make it any bigger because it will be hard to eat these in one bite then. Maybe use a ruler without eyeballing it like me. Put the puff pastry squares on a lined baking tray, and then we're going to do the filling. I'm doing a base of cream cheese topped with beautiful cherry tomato. You must be thinking, but Aru, you have now used cream cheese for the base of those festive cheese as well. Isn't that too much cream cheese for one platter? The answer is no. There can never be too much cream cheese. But in all honesty, the beauty of cream cheese is that it's so versatile. It's great for baking, and it's a great vessel to carry lots of other flavors. Give the cream cheese a little mix with a spoon just to smoothen out any cold bits or any lumps, and then pop it into a piping bag. Snip the edge off and pipe this onto the pastry. Now you can just use a spoon and dollop this onto the pastry, but I think it's so much neater this way. Also, make sure that your cream cheese has been sitting out of the fridge for about half an hour or so that it's nice and soft. Top the cheese with either some Seeni Sambol or sauted onion, or even a little chutney will be amazing. Pop a slice or two of the cherry tom on top. If you can, use 2 colors. That would be awesome. If not, just the red ones are perfect for this. Then go in with a little sprig of parsley. You can also sprinkle a bit of cheddar or mozzarella on top, but this is completely optional. If you're making this in advance, then just pop this into the fridge like this and keep until your guests arrive. You can bake it after they come and give them nice, hot, freshly baked pastries. But honestly, even if you bake this ahead of time and keep, it will still be amazing. Preheat the oven to 200 Celsius and then brush the sides with a beaten egg so that it gets nice and golden as it bakes. Pop this into the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes until the pastry has puffed up and is looking golden on the sides. I sure hope you're enjoying these canapés and that I'm inspiring you to make some of these during the holiday season, or even all year round actually. Please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of these awesome recipes, and come back for episode 11, where I'll be showing you how to make an amazingly indulgent dessert. Happy holidays!